Hello, so I want to walk you through the site that I created for the Math in the 21st Century class for the University of Laverne. This is my homepage and it is my About Me section. I provide potential employers with a little bit of information about me, where I work, and the things that I'm interested in. Next, I provided my resume so that potential employers could see my background history in working. I also provided reference letters that I have received so that potential employers can see that I can provide references upon request and what those people had to say about me. I put all assignments in chronological order according to the class, starting with the stars and wishes. Followed by the Tim's report, the reflections, the text reflections that had been done within the class, the first lesson plan that we did, which was our literature and math lesson. This is where I learned that I could insert the actual document so that it can be easily navigated by clicking on this arrow and it will take you to the actual document in its entirety. Over in the More section, I have the math lesson unit. Under that, I have subunits for the lesson plan 1, 2, and 3. Under those, they each have their own subunit, which includes the PowerPoint that I had created for each lesson plan. In the math lesson unit, the opening page, I start with the pacing guide that I had created for my math lesson unit. Next, I put in the learning centers that I had created for the class. Again, this is a document that has been uploaded, so you can click this arrow and it will take you directly to the original document. Underneath there, I included the group learning center. Next, I put in the word problems that I have created for this class. And underneath the word problems, I put in my word problem analysis. Again, these are all documents that can be easily accessed by pressing this arrow here. And the viewer can click that and go directly to the original document. Finally, I put in the field experience overview. Again, this is an original document, so you just have to click that arrow and it will take you to the original document. And underneath the field experience, I included the field experience log. This puts all of the information and activities that I've done within this class in an easy spot for potential employers to view. I did have some difficulties in the beginning creating this site. Difficulties I had while creating this site was in the beginning, I did not add original documents. I copied and pasted. I feel like that's something I could have improved upon. And my favorite part about this site that I created was my About Me page, because it gives potential employers a snapshot about who I am and the activities that I'm involved in.